Hey guys, this is Jeff from JP Sports Collection. It is release day for 2019 Panini Prizm football. We got a box here. I got a box here. It is going to be something that I've been looking forward to. It is a personal break. We did not get any of these for the break room. Sorry guys if you're looking, but hey, it's an expensive product. If you guys are worried about that though, you can take a peek there at the top right hand corner of your screen. We do have an active break going on for the last two boxes of a case of 2019 Panini Impeccable. You can snag yourself one random team for $36 or two random teams for $65. You can find that down there at that little Facebook link. Find us on Facebook, JP-Sports Collection. You'll find that break. Claim your team in the comment section. But as of right now, we're going to get down on some Panini Prizm. Love this product. It looks beautiful this year. 12 packs. There they are. There they are. And here we go. First 8 cards are going to be base. I'm not going to take forever on these. I'll probably go through these later, but they do look gorgeous. They do look beautiful this year. Randall Cobb and a Cowboys uni. I'll go slow on the first few packs. I'm going to speed it up though here. TJ Watt. They're such a good looking card. No die cuts this year in 2019, unlike 2018. Base, base, base. Cortland Sutton base. Jalen Ramsey base. Devontae Adams base. Ed Reed base. Larry Fitzgerald base. Brian Urlacher base. And we got a Marquise Brown. It's a red. Number 37 out of 149. Marquise Brown. 37 of 149. That's what we're looking for, guys. We're looking for those. Trying to find something good. Couple rookies at the end of every pack. Tony Pollard, Lonnie Johnson Jr. But yeah, a lot of base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 base cards per pack. I am going to fan through them pretty quick. We don't want to take too much time here. All right, base, 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 base. Le'Veon Bell Fireworks, not numbered. Nice card. We got a green Jalen Ferguson. Jalen Ferguson. 61 of 75. Short print Jalen Ferguson for the Baltimore Ravens. I'm going to put that in a soft sleeve too. Why not? It's still a good looking card. Le'Veon Bell. Couple rookies here. Bryce Love and Nasir Adderley for the Chargers. Onward and upward. Next pack. Base, 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 base. Rock Ya-Sin. Indianapolis Colts. 123 of 249. Rock Ya-Sin. Trace McSorley and a Caleb Wilson. Again, base, base, base. There is one silver per box, and here it is. Anthony Johnson, rookie, Tampa Bay, silver. Anthony Johnson, silver. Ooh, Lil Jordan Humphrey. It's a cool looking card. Lil Jordan Humphrey. 122 of 175. Lil Jordan. Alrighty then. I'm going to sleeve up the silver here too so it doesn't get mixed up. Like I said, there's one silver per box. There it is. Anthony Johnson. David Montgomery. Miles Boykin rookie cards. Tyler Boyd. Base, 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 base. Philip Lindsay. Brilliance. Tonight, this product is so pretty. It's kind of expensive. Pre-sale was $200. I'm sure since today is release day, it probably went up a little bit. That's the name of the game. And what do we have here? A Damian Williams red. Damian Williams red, 110 out of 149. I don't know how he's doing this year. He was kind of loud coming up on the fantasy side of things, but I don't think he's done a whole lot. Maybe he's hurt. Devin Bush II and Anthony Johnson rookie cards. Still looking for our first bit of ink here. Maybe we'll hit it here. Base, 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 base. We got some ink. Pretty cool looking base Barry Sanders card. Even though it's base, look how cool they are. And we got a Trace McSorley. I don't know how he's going to fare with Lamar Jackson taking most of the snaps there in Baltimore, but Trace McSorley. All right. Autos usually are not numbered. Sticker autos. There are no on-card autos in Prizm. They are all sticker autos. That's okay. Still looking for a little boomer, though, huh? Marquise Blair and a Gary Jennings Jr. rookie. 3 autos per box. We still have 2 more to go. All right, let's see what we have here. Kevin Byard, Tennessee Titans. Very beautiful looking card. 43 of 49. We're chasing these super short print inserts like this throughout the entire set. Would love to be able to pull a Gardner Minshew like this, or a Kyler, or Dwayne, something like that. A couple rookies. Darnell Savage and Travis Homer. All right, we're down to the last 5 packs. Still looking for 2 more autos here. Let's fan through this base. Hype, J.J. Watt, excuse me. And, oh, that's cool. Michael Vick, Atlanta Falcons, yellow. 137 of 249. Jay Sternberger and a Miles Sanders rookie card. We got something blue. Bobby Wagner. Here's a Kyler rookie. Cool. Bobby Wagner, 174 of 199. Bobby Wagner. We're going to put some Kyler here and some penny sleeves as well. First Kyler of the box. That's cool. And a Clayton Thorson. All right, guys. 3 packs to go. Still looking for 2 more autos. Let's hold our breath here and hopefully we pull some good stuff. Another Baltimore Raven. It better not be another Clayton Thorson. How about a Jalen Ferguson? Jalen Ferguson. Man, if this was a box break of the Baltimore Ravens, they would have made out like a bandit, huh? Jalen Ferguson. What do we got so far here? Trace McSorley. That's what I meant to say. Taylor Rapp and a DK Metcalf rookie card. All right. 2 to go. Ooh, that is super cool. That is beautiful. Jerry Rice. That might be pretty short print if I have to guess. Beautiful Jerry Rice. Not short print. 165 out of 175. Nonetheless, that's a pretty looking card. Jerry. Josh Oliver, Andy, Justice Hill. Last pack. Gonna be an auto in here. Let's see what we got. Ryan Finley. Ryan Finley for the Cincinnati Bengals. Alright guys, this is going to be the first box. I bought a total of 2. I'm going to go ahead and end this video after this quick recap, and I'm going to make another one. If you've watched it this far, take a peek at the second video. Maybe this second box will be a little bit better, but that's okay. We've got a Ryan Finley auto, a Jerry Rice out of 175, Jalen Ferguson, Trace McSorley auto, Kyler Murray rookie, blue Bobby Wagner out of 199, Mike Vick out of 249, Kevin Byard out of 49, Damian Williams 149, silver Anthony Johnson, one of those per box like I said, Lil Jordan Humphrey out of 175. Come on, camera, why don't you want to focus on me? Rock Ya-Sin out of 249. Le'Veon Bell Fireworks. Jalen Ferguson. This was a definite hot box for Ravens, that's for sure. Marquise Brown. Ravens, Ravens, Ravens. Cool. Anyways, thanks for hanging out, guys. That was the first box out of 2 boxes that I have to open. Appreciate you guys watching. If you guys have any questions about anything, please feel free to reach out to us on all of our social media platforms. JPS Collection 7 on Instagram. You can find us on Facebook at JP-Sports Collection. And we go live on this YouTube channel to do box breaks every single Monday and Thursday evening at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.